We are the Lower Platte North Natural Resources District. We represent over 1 million acres from Saunders County all the way to Boone and Madison Counties. We maintain projects and structures we've built across this region over the last 50 years. It's our job to help preserve Nebraska's natural resources, like water. We've built levees and dams to protect our state's water. We inspect these dams, we repair them, we keep them operating. We maintain dozens of small dams and road structures to reduce flooding and drainage damage. Better yet, this means our water quality gets a huge boost. Our work helps the people and the water. Some of your favorite parks and lakes, we take care of those too, and provide fishing, boating, hiking, and biking. Our flood reduction structures protect lives, they protect property, and they protect our district. We are the Lower Platte North Natural Resources District, working today, conserving for future generations.